making some pesto pasta with me. Add a pinch of salt. First, you have to wait for the water to boil, and then you can add your pasta. Don't put your pasta when it's not boiling. And then wait over time and slowly start to push the pasta in. Time for the pesto. Add 3 of these and 3 of these. 3 scoops of butter and 3 scoops of actual pesto. If you made it by yourself, do the same thing. The 3 scoops of butter and 3 scoops of pesto. And add a little bit of salt. Time to try one to see if it's cooked enough. So far, so good. Just a bit more cooking. There was still a little bit of a crunch. Try number 2. It's better. I think it's time to add it to the pesto. Now that it's all mixed in, hopefully it's all mixed in, it is good to eat. Time to plate it. I'm gonna try some. 10 out of 10.